My name is Michael Johnson. Currently, I'm a visiting professor at the University of Arkansas at Little Rock School of Law. For many years, I was with the Department of Justice and a prosecuting attorney, and have tried many cases throughout the country in my experience as a prosecuting attorney. I want to talk to you about two processes we use to introduce evidence when a witness does not remember. The first is refreshing a witness's recollection. That's a process used on direct examination to help a witness recall and testify from recalled memory now when they're on the stand in court. The process requires first that the witness have known the fact at a time that was important, that they cannot now recall it, and we can use various things to recreate the memory. It doesn't matter when we show a witness something that helps them recreate the memory, whether they've ever seen that thing before. It can be something the witness has never seen, so long as it recreates the memory so they can testify from the refreshed memory. An example of that would be, let's suppose that you have a witness who's testifying about the scene of an automobile accident. If they can't recall some detail of that scene, you might show them a photograph. If the photograph helps them now remember something that they did see, their memory has been refreshed and they can testify from that refreshed memory. Let me talk about the process that has to be gone through in order to refresh a witness's memory. Typically, we show them a statement that they might have made. You first have to establish, do you now recall? No. Did you know? Yes. If I show you this, will it help you recall? Yes. You take that item, whether it's the photograph or the statement, to the witness. You give it to them, ask them to examine it without comment. Once they have, you take that back from them and you ask them, do you now recall? And if they say yes, you may now ask them the question and they may testify from the substance. The testimony is the refreshed memory. It is not what's on the object that is shown to them. We contrast that with past recollection recorded. It's really a similar process, but with an opposite result. Past recollection recorded is that at the time the witness knew something, the witness recorded it or adopted the recording of it. They don't now recall what that is. Their memory cannot now be refreshed, but they then can use whatever the writing was that was recorded either by them or someone else that they adopted to testify from. So the process is, did you know? Yes. Did you record it when you knew? Yes. Do you now remember it? No. Here's your recording. Is this accurate? Yes. And in that case, they may read that item into evidence. It itself does not go into evidence and can't be taken by the jury to the jury room as an exhibit for deliberation, but they are testifying about what is written on that recorded item that they have created in the past. Those are the two processes of refreshing recollection and past recollection recorded.